Yes, for today, the representative of the LGU Caloocan, Dr. James Yao, who also happens to be the representative of our Mayor, Dale Gonzalo Along Malapitan. Good morning po, sir. To our SPTA, headed by our President Danilo Cabrera, to our teachers, to our parents who are here as well today to give support to our learners, and of course, to all our learners who are here, isang magiting na araw po. Today, we gather to celebrate and acknowledge the outstanding achievements of our learners who have shown perseverance, dedication, and excellence in their studies. Recognition Day is not just about medals and certificates. It is a celebration of every effort, sacrifice, and step taken toward reaching one's goal. Behind every award given today is a story of hope, hard work, and determination. To our dear teachers, parents, and other supporters, thank you for your unwavering guidance and encouragement. As we celebrate these accomplishments, may we continue to support and uplift one another in our journey toward a brighter future. Once again, congratulations and a warm salute sa ating mga batang general. Good morning po.
Thank you so much.